wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cooler chairs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Weighing just 3 pounds, the Zology folding stool won't add much to your load, and it comes in an unobtrusive camouflage pattern that makes it ideal for use when camping or hunting. It's made with a polyester fabric that's removable for machine washing. It's equipped with adjustable carrying straps and a powder-coated steel frame. However, there's no backrest to lean on. At number 9, the Best Choice product Sky 1586 offers seating for 2, though oddly just a single cup holder, along with a roomy insulated pack and an integrated umbrella that can be removed for sunbathing. Some may find it gets uncomfortable during long periods of sitting though. It comes with 2 storage pockets and the fabric is breathable, but this one is best suited to small individuals. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The portal stool might not be ideal for serious lounging for long periods of time, but it's more than suitable to take a load off around a campfire or at an outdoor festival. It has an over-the-shoulder carrying strap, though unfortunately it's not adjustable. It weighs just 5 pounds and is sturdier than you would expect. It also has a backrest for support. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooler chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the seat of the Rio Gear Ultimate is made from a breathable yet durable mesh fabric that'll help keep you cool and comfortable at the beach. It offers multiple reclining positions and the headrest is adjustable and removable. It contours to the shape of your body and includes a folding towel rack, but the metal zippers may rust. Moving up our list to number 6, the Camp Rite Director has a removable insulated bag on the left side that can hold up to 12 cans, while on the right there's a small fold-down table with an integrated cup holder. Its armrests are ergonomically curved, though they could use more padding. It's made with a tough polyester fabric and suits large individuals well, however it is rather heavy for its size. Halfway up our list at number 5, integrated backpack straps make it easy to carry the Life is Good beach to your destination. Its 2 drink holders can accommodate oversized cups or a can with a koozie on it, and its backrest offers 5 recline positions. It comes with a hanging storage pouch and very wide armrests with an attractive striped pattern. At number 4, with a strong aluminum frame that offers the ability to support up to 300 pounds, the Timber Ridge Laurel is suitable for heavy users. Both its backrest and seat area are well padded to keep you comfortable, and the entire thing folds up in seconds. It includes a flip-down side table and 2 built-in cup holders, and it's double-stitched for durability. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you like to take everything but the kitchen sink on your outings, then the Oniva Fusion would be a smart choice. It has a side table with 2 shelves beneath it, and its large insulated compartment has several small exterior storage pockets. The cooler is detachable, and there's a fabric loop for holding an umbrella. It's backed by a lifetime guarantee. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooler chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Coleman Quad takes the company's classic camping chair and adds an insulated pouch to one of the armrests that can accommodate up to 4 standard-sized cans. On the opposite arm is a mesh cup holder for the drink you're currently polishing off. It features an all-purpose media pocket and a nylon carrying bag, and it's available in 4 colors. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the back of the Tommy Bahama Beach backpack has 2 pockets, one of which is insulated to keep beverages cold, and the other serves as a good all-purpose storage solution. It features a folding bar to hang your towel on to dry in the sun. It boasts a cell phone holder on the armrest and a rust-proof aluminum frame, and it reclines to 5 positions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooler chairs, or simply click beneath this video.